Hola a todos! Hello everybody! My name is Irina and I am a linguist. I am going to teach you English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French and Portuguese, and if I learn more, I'm going to teach you more. So welcome to our second Spanish class. I'm super excited to teach you el verbo ser, the verb to be, the magical verb to be. Of course, in the English language, we have also forms of the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. So we conjugate the verb, and conjugate, that means that we change the forms. Well, the verb to be, el verbo ser, is an irregular verb. What does it mean, irregular? That means that you have to remember all the forms. So open your copybook and we are going to write down all the forms for the irregular verb ser. I'm super excited for you guys. I'm super excited. It's our second class and we'll learn more and more words. So we are learning how to introduce ourselves, how to say I am Irina, you are George, or he is Ivan. Okay, so first of all, I want to remind you what we learned at our previous class. And at our previous class, we learned pronouns, pronombres. Okay, yo, tú, él, make it soft, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ustedes. If you did not watch that video, please go to the playlist Spanish for Beginners and watch the first video because this is the second video. So that's what we learned yesterday. We learned 10 words. We're going to learn more. Here we see the forms of the verb ser. Yo soy. Yo soy, soy, soy. Tú eres, eres. Él es, he is. Él es, ella es. Usted es. So he is, she is, and you, polite form, singular. Also the form S, SSS. Nosotros somos, somos. Vosotros sois, sois. Ellos o ustedes son. Okay, one more time. Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. So practically, you need to remember soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. I am, you are, he is, she is, you are, okay, singular. We are, you are, plural. They are and you are, plural, polite. I want to remind you that we do not have a neutral form like it in the English language. There is no it. We only have él or ella. So I'm going to give you a second to close your eyes and try to memorize the forms. Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. Okay? I'm going to tell you the pronoun. You will have to tell me the form of the verb ser. Okay? Let's practice. Yo soy. Tú eres. Él es. Ella es. Usted es. Nosotros somos. Vosotros sois. Ellos son. Ustedes son. Muy bien. Very well. Muy bien. Look at them again. Take a piece of paper and write down all the forms you remember. Please do not look at the board. Do not look anywhere. Close your eyes, or don't close your eyes. Just don't look anywhere. Take a piece of paper and write down everything you remember. Even if you don't remember all of them, so what? You can always rewind the video and practice all over again. So now, how do we introduce ourselves? And here's the fun part. At our first class, we learned pronombres. Pronombres españoles. Spanish pronouns. Spanish yo, tú, él, ella. Spanish pronouns. To introduce ourselves, we do not need these words. For example, in Castellano, in the real Spanish from Spain, we just say soy Irina. Soy Irina. I don't need yo. I don't. Why? Because soy is the only form that shows that I'm talking about myself. I can say hola, hello, hola, soy Irina. And I want to ask you, are you Irina? ¿Eres Irina? So basically, if I don't use tú, I just ask as intonation. ¿Eres Irina? If I want to ask if this is Juan, ¿es Juan? ¿Es José? Somos. Somos Juan y Irina. So let's look at the board. This is and. Y. Somos, we are. I do not need to say nosotros. Just somos José y Irina. Sois. Are you? Are you Juan and Irina? Sois Juan y Irina. They are José and Juan. Son José y Juan. Now, the magic is happening. At our second class, we are going to make a dialogue with all the words we know. We only know 20 words, but we can already speak. Let's look at this dialogue. Hola, soy Juan. I am introducing myself. Hi, I am Juan. ¿Eres Irina? I'm asking a question. I don't need to use tú. I don't, because eres is the only form for tú. ¿Eres Irina? Also, I want to mention that in the Spanish language, if you use a question mark, you use it in the beginning, the reversed one, and in the end, the normal regular question mark. ¿Eres Irina? Sí. Sí means yes. Sí, soy Irina. I'm introducing myself again. I don't need yo because the form soy shows that I'm talking about myself. Sí, soy Irina. Then I'm asking question again as plural. Sois Juan y José. We took this word already. That's and. Okay. Sois Juan y José. Are you guys? Are you Juan and José? No. So let's learn the word no. In Spanish, it is no. When you use the negative, you put no in front of the verb. So, nosotros somos. Okay? We are. We don't need nosotros. Okay? As I told you, you don't have to use pronouns. Take somos, are, And in the Spanish language, you put no in front of it. No somos. No somos Juan y José. We are not Juan and José. Somos Juan y Javier. We are Juan and Javier. Okay? So one more time. We learned here how to make questions and how to answer yes and no. I want to remind you that yes will be sí and no will be no. Okay? Here we use no 2 times. Why? Because the first no is just short no. Okay? It's just a small sentence. No. Period. The second no actually makes the sentence negative. For example, I don't, I will not. In this case, I am not. I am not. Or we are not. No somos Juan y José. Let's read this again. Hola, soy Juan. ¿Eres Irina? Sí, soy Irina. ¿Sois Juan y José? No, no somos Juan y José. Somos Juan y Javier. Please write this down and learn this dialogue by heart. If you study with me, come to my class and tell me this dialogue orally. These are the forms that you have to learn today. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. One more time. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. One more time. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. Let's do it together. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. One more time. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. Let's do vice versa. Son, sois, somos, es, eres, soy. I know it's difficult, but if you do this exercise, you will remember all the forms faster. And I know maybe you don't use all of them in your real life, maybe you don't need all the forms, but when you need it, you will remember them because you practice them back and forth. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. Son, sois, somos. Es, eres, soy. Take a pen, take a paper, and write down all the forms so you know how to write them. So you will know how to read them. These are basics, Spanish basics, and I want you to learn the Spanish basics. I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690, and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French, and Portuguese. You can also send me an email, study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language, you can speak the language, you can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsesian. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!